Hi, welcome to Cloudy with a Chance of Weather 4. This activity list starts today, Friday, February 1st. It is due next Thursday, February 7th. Remember to read a literary text and write the title on the top line, and write the challenge that was in your book on this line. Remember to mark each time you do this. For writing this week, you will use your Foursquare plan to write a narrative draft about a time you were in a storm. Scan the QR code and listen to editing. What word is always capitalized? Put your answer here. Then score and edit your narrative draft using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. The next activity is required 10 minutes. It is practice. Have a partner score your writing using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. For reading comprehension, this is required 20 minutes. It is practice. Read the partner play Snow Day with your partner. Then answer the RAPS question in the resource area. The next section is foundational skills working on suffixes tion and sion. This is a required activity for 20 minutes. It is practice. Blue readers tion, sion sort. Red readers read Miss Bridge plans for her class and underline the tion, SOIN words. White readers, TION, SION, ant and ent, meaning match. The next activity is required for 5 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. The next activity is also required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Using a computer, complete the Symbaloo word building and sorting lesson on suffixes. The suffix is the 6th pink box. The next activity is social studies. It is required for 5 minutes. It is learning. Read the colored copy of severe weather map in the resource area to learn about where severe weather occurs. This is required for 10 minutes. This is practice. Answer the questions in the black and white weather map in the resource area and glue into your severe weather journal. The next activity is for your severe weather journal on lightning. It is required for 10 minutes. It is learning. Scan the lightning strikes QR code to see where lightning is occurring right now in the United States. Use the United States map to figure out one state where lightning is happening right now. Write it here. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is learning. Read the thunderstorms and lightning article in the resource area or scan the QR code and listen to thunderstorms and lightning. The next activity is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Use what you learned about lightning to answer the lightning questions in your severe weather journal. The next activity is also required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read Being Safe with Weather on Epic. Write 3 ways you can stay safe in severe weather on page 6 of your severe weather journal. The next activity is required for 15 minutes. Check your rubric and mark where you are on the rubric for severe weather journal section only. Your severe weather plan poster. This is required for 20 minutes. This is practice. Using a computer, complete the Science Fusion digital lesson, Unit 3, Lesson 4, how can you prepare for severe weather? Then complete the note-taking guide from the resource area. The note-taking guide is to be done independently. The last activities are optional. You can scan the QR code, know the facts. Choose a type of severe weather you do not yet learn about and complete the severe weather questions in the resource area. Complete this in your severe weather journal. This is also optional for 20 minutes. Scan the QR code Disaster Master to play the game online. That's all. Good luck.